Hi, it's Owen here from PCL. Today we're talking about the ACCURA MK4 Tyre Inflator. It's our handheld digital tyre inflator. It takes two AAA batteries from the top, has a battery life of over 150 hours, has a 1/4-inch female BSP air inlet port, comes in a variety of different hose lengths and connector types, and can pretty much inflate all tyres on the market, going up to a maximum of 250 psi for tyre inflation pressure. So the ACCURA MK4, you need to firstly insert the batteries. To remove the battery end cap, you supply two AAA batteries. So positive side up. Place the battery end cap back on. Flathead screwdriver. And then once the batteries are in, you'll see the backlight light up. And it's a case of putting your air inlet connector or directly a hose. So again, 1/4-inch BSP female air inlet. Screw your adapter in and just secure your fitting. Again, bit of PTFE tape or thread sealant on a tapered thread. And you're ready to connect your airline to the inflator. So when you've inserted your airline fitting, hook up your air supply and you're ready to use it onto the tyre. So the PU button stands for pressure unit, which means you can then cycle through between the different pressure units. So we've got bar, if you hold it down for 3 seconds, we're now onto KPA, hold it down for another 3 seconds, and now we're onto PSI. So you can choose the correct pressure unit for your vehicle. The display will power off after 25 seconds of no activity and go into a sleep mode for battery saving. When you're ready, place the tyre valve connector onto the tyre and you're going to show the pressure what's inside that tyre. So to deflate, depress the lever halfway. You'll see the display will change, and once you stop deflating, it will show exactly what's in the tyre. So 26, we're going to take it back up to 30. So to inflate, you depress fully on the lever. And when you're inflating, just momentarily stop to read the exact pressure and then deflate back down to your target pressure if necessary. So we'll take it down to 30. And we've got 30 psi on there. So with this ACCURA MK4 gauge, you just need to routinely replace the batteries. They have a very long battery life of over 150 hours, but there is a battery indicator on the display which will tell you when you're running low. So again, just two AAA batteries and you're good to go. There's no need to oil this particular inflator. It's a digital pressure sensor. There's no essential moving parts. It does come available in several different hose lengths and connector valve types. So you can do your car tyres, your truck tyres, vans, HGVs, and even up to aviation tyres as well.